Hello and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and let's see how to make apple sauce or apple puree for babies. This makes a great weaning food because babies who are used to drinking breast milk, which is sweet in nature, will easily adapt to apple sauce, which is again sweet naturally. Apart from this, it is rich in fiber and least allergenic, which is the ideal one requirement when you are introducing solids. Even the fiber content in it keeps their gut healthy. So let's dive right in and see how to make apple sauce or apple puree. At first, I'm taking apple in a wide pan. You can also follow steaming method. Here I'm cooking it with water. I'm adding a few pieces of cinnamon. This would enhance the flavor, and apple sauce this is not just apple puree, so it would be a great idea to add cinnamon. Cover and cook it until it is soft. It took about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Well, in this texture it comes out. Do a fork test to see if this is cooked well, and then I'll pass it to a blender jar, my favorite Wonder Chef blender jar. The link would be in the description box if you want to purchase it. Have a look. Yes, ensure that you discard the cinnamon sticks. It is not required to blend it along with apple. It is just to flavor it up. Our soft and well cooked apple is now ready to be blended. Blend it smooth. For toddlers and kids, at this time you can even add sugar and blend it well. So our apple sauce is all ready to be served. If you wish, you can cook rice along with this and make an apple and rice ka puree. Our apple sauce puree would look like this. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to check and subscribe to my channel because we have posted a lot of baby food recipes already, which can be given starting from 6 months to 12 months. There are food charts as well on our blog totsandmoms.com. I am planning to make videos on food chart very soon, so subscribe so that you get update about it. Have a look at our shop.totsandmoms.com. The link is in the description box again. Here we sell organic baby foods. Starting from first food to drink mixes for kids are available, which are organic and chemical free. There is a discount coupon of rupees 200 if you are ordering. Use that and avail that discount. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon in yet another video. Bye bye.